Welcome to MCQs Factory. Let's start the video. Cell membrane is formed of A. Carbohydrate, B. Lipid, C. Protein, D. Lipoprotein. Correct answer D. Electron transport chain reaction occur in A. Cell membrane, B. Cell wall, C. Endoplasm, D. Mitochondrion. Correct answer D. Ribosomes in cell are responsible for A. Protein formation, B. Glycolysis, C. Lipid breakdown, D. All of these. Correct answer A. Golgi complex is responsible for A. Carbohydrate metabolism, B. Protein synthesis, C. Lipid synthesis, D. All of these. Correct answer D. Basic excretory chemicals in all the cells is A. Urea, B. Uric acid, C. Ammonia, D. None of these. Correct answer B. Oxygen transport from lungs to tissue occurs through A. Difference in pressure, B. Solubility in plasma, C. Attachment with RBC surface, D. None of these. Correct answer C. FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, is produced in A. Ovary, B. Hypothalamus, C. Pituitary, D. None of these. Correct answer C. Lipase is an enzyme responsible for A. Carbohydrate metabolism, B. Lipid breakdown, C. Protein breakdown, D. None of these. Correct answer A. Law of segregation is applicable to A. Homozygous individual, B. Heterozygous individual, C. Both homozygous and heterozygous, D. None of these. Correct answer D. Sex-linked genes concern A. Sex characters, B. Somatic character, C. Mostly somatic character, D. None of these. Correct answer A. XXY individual in man is a phenotypic male, because A. 2 X chromosomes are present, B. Y chromosome is present, C. Both X and Y chromosomes are present, D. None of these. Correct answer B. Trisomic condition can be produced through A. Primary non-disjunction, B. Secondary non-disjunction, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer A. First living organism on this planet was A. A protozoan, B. An algae, C. Bacteria, D. A virus. Correct answer C. Theory of natural selection was proposed by A. Charles Darwin, B. A.R. Wallace, C. both A and B. D. None of these. Correct answer A. Lamarck's theory of inheritance of acquired characters says: A. Environment forces a character. B. Environment selects a character. C. Environment has no effect. D. None of these. Correct answer A. Orthoselection means: A. Selection occurring at different times. B. Selection occurring at different rates. C. Selection occurring in one direction. D. None of these. Correct answer C. Haeckel's biogenetic law says: A. Ontogeny repeats phylogeny. B. Phylogeny repeats ontogeny. C. None of these. D. Both A and B together. Correct answer A. Ecosystem is a system involving biotic and abiotic components which: A. Interact. B. Interact for energy flow. C. No interaction. D. None of these. Correct answer B. Nitrogen biogeochemical cycle is regarded as gaseous cycle because: A. Nitrogen is a gas. B. Recycling is almost complete. C. Major part of cycle is in gaseous state. D. None of these. Correct answer A. Raw material for evolution are variation, which are produced through: A. Gene mutation. B. Chromosomal aberration. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. Correct answer A. The disease-causing protozoan is: A. Amoeba. B. Paramecium. C. Stentor. D. Trypanosoma. Correct answer A. Binucleate protozoan is: A. Mastigoamoeba. B. Toxoplasma. C. Didymium. D. None of these. Correct answer D. Spicules in sponges are secreted by cells called: A. Chromocytes. B. Thessocytes. C. Scleroblasts. D. None of these. Correct answer D. Which one of the following coelenterate is also called Portuguese man of war? A. Hydra. B. Villela. C. Obelia. D. Physicalia. Correct answer D. Pseudocoelomate animals are: A. Coelenterates. B. Nematodes. C. Annelids. D. Arthropods. Correct answer B. Earthworm belongs to phylum: A. Platyhelminthes. B. Nematode. C. Mollusca. D. None of these. Correct answer D. The number of arms in octopuses: A. 4. B. 6. C. 8. D. 10. Correct answer C. The excretory organ of cockroach is: A. Flame cell. B. Nephridia. C. Coxal gland. D. None of these. Correct answer D. The compound eyes are present in A. Cuttlefish, B. Sea urchin, C. Sea mouse, D. Honeybee. Correct answer D. Subscribe our channel MCQs Factory for future videos.